The spirit of sport is everywhere, and never more so than in Denver, the 1976 hosts of the Winter Olympics, and now the 2023 hosts of the Lifelong Learning and Pharmacy Conference. This conference will provide a platform to help raise the awareness of the importance of sports pharmacy as a specialism. So if you're a pharmacist looking to find out how you would expand your knowledge to meet the growing interest around physical activity in sport, or if you feel like you would benefit from knowing the unique medication needs of athletes, then come along to our small group presentation hosted by Ashley Anderson, Athena Cannon and myself, Claire May. If this sounds like the session for you, then clip in and get ready to reach the dizzying heights of sports pharmacy. See you in Denver.